I'm Pat Iyer, who is the co-moderator with Therese Devitt Lynch for our new conference coming up, Murder Mysteries Unraveled. And I am pleased to have an opportunity to introduce you in this quick video to one of our speakers. She has been practicing in forensics since 1997. She has a doctorate in nursing practice with a forensic focus, has consulted with the Pentagon, testified in front of the Congress, and has a deep passion in helping attorneys with cases that involve criminal issues. At our conference, she's picked a topic that is chilling to many of us, and that is abusive head trauma in children. Pamela Tabor is our speaker. And Pamela, I would like for you to share just for a couple of minutes, what are some of the key topics that you're going to be covering during your conference session?
Well, thank you, Pat. And I'm very excited to be a part of your conference. I'm very honored. This will be my first time with LNCs, and I admire so much what you do, so I'm excited. We will start by discussing sudden infant death syndrome and sudden unexpected death. Those are two different things, and it's really important that as nurses we understand those and differentiate between them, because it will help create our path of care. We're going to focus on some key terms such as feticide, neonaticide, and infanticide. But overall, the bulk of the presentation will be on abusive head trauma, or what we used to call shaken baby syndrome. We will be focusing on abusive head trauma, and we want to specifically understand the mechanisms of trauma, because as you review cases, you'll need to be able to help differentiate between accidents and intentional injuries. And those mechanisms are what help us determine that. Our goal will be to understand early detection and some intervention strategies that can be utilized after you review a case and you see where things went wrong. You can help establish how to correct those things. We will then come full circle, and taking the information provided, we will look at some case studies and some pictures in order to help solidify this in your mind. I will also be giving you some really good resources so that when you speak about this or you're trying to educate those you're consulting with, you'll have some hardcore facts and numbers to work with. So I'm very excited and hope you can attend.
Thank you very much, Pamela. That's a great overview of what you'll be planning to present. Our conference is May 30, 31, and June 1st, 2024. There's a link right below this video, which is http://lnc.tips/murder. That's lnc.tips/murder. If you see this video after the conference is over, the recordings will be available. We would love to have you with us for this 3-day event of education, delving into the role of the LNC in helping with criminal cases, and getting to know some of the roles of the defense attorney, the investigator, the person who looks at strangulation cases. We have an LNC who has worked successfully to get a woman out of prison who was wrongly convicted of murdering her child. It's a great lineup, and we'd love to see you there. So join us for Murder Mysteries Unraveled, May 30, 31, and June 1st, 2024.